Hello friends, this is Praveen and today we are going to solve the square side puzzle. So in this puzzle we have given a square and we have to find out its side. So instead of the side given to us, they have given some hint that a triangle is inscribed such a way with the measures 4, 3 and 5. Now with help of this clue we have to find out the measure of the side of this square. So how would we find out? I would highly appreciate you to pause this video and give it a shot. So let's move to a solution. So first, when we see these three numbers, that is 3, 4 and 5, that is 3, 4 and 5, we can conclude that they are the Pythagorean triplets. So by the Pythagorean triplets, that means I can create the square with the sides of these measures and this would always form a right angle. The examples of the another Pythagorean triplet would be 6, 8 and 10. So we can get these numbers with the Pythagorean formula, that means a square plus b square is equal to c square. So now if we will create the triangle, it would be 6, 8 and 10 because the hypotenuse is always the longest, and we have the 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64, and we get this answer as the 100. So this is a Pythagorean triplet. Is this a Pythagorean triplet? Yes, that means we have is 9 plus 16, that will give us answer 25, and under root 25 is equals to 5. But now where it is the right angle? Is it between the side 3 and 4 or 4 and 5 or 5 and 3? So we know that the longest side is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is always the angle opposite to the hypotenuse is 90 degree. So this angle is equals to 90 degree. So we know that these two sides would be also 90 degree, as it is the angles would be 90 degree as it are the corners of the square. So first we have to prove that this triangle that is with the side adjacent to 3 and side adjacent to 4 is a similar triangles. So if you will take this angle as the A, so now we know that this angle would become, that is 90 minus A. So to find out the angles of this value, let's it be the x. So let's find out the value of x. We know that 180 is equals to the sum of 90 plus we have is x and plus 90 minus A. So we get this as 90 is equals to x plus 90 minus A. So this 90 is equals to this 90. That means this value, that is A, must cancel out the x. So this is in positive and this is in negative. So means they are the similar values but in opposite signs. So this would be nothing but A. So this angle we get, which is a angle, and we can get this angle as 90 minus A. Friends, we have to know that I have not said that these triangles are congruent. The congruent is the property in which both the triangles are identical. They have no difference between them. But here you can know that its hypotenuse is 3, but here hypotenuse of this triangle is 4. They are different, but they are not congruent, but they are similar. So now we know that the hypotenuse by now let's take this side as x, so and name this side as y, and this would be nothing but x minus y. Friends, we know that this side by its hypotenuse would be equals to the this side by its hypotenuse. So we can take this as x minus y divided by 3 is equals to x divided by 4. So when we do cross multiplication, that is 3x is equals to 4x minus 4y. We get the answer as 3x minus 4x, that is equals to minus 4y. That means 1 minus x, that is equals to minus 4y, and so minus root get cancelled out, and it would be equals to x is equals to 4y. So that means we can rewrite this as the x divided by 4. So instead of here I writing y, it could be also written as x divided by 4. So we know that when we will square this side and this side, we will get this the square of this number, because they are a right triangle. So when we take this as x square plus x by 4, the square is equals to 4 square, that would be, now we can rewrite as the 16, and this simplification of this would give us 17 by 16 x square, that would be equals to 16. Now for the value for the x to be positive, for the x, that means it must be greater than 0, we get this answer as x is equals to 16 multiplied by that is divided 16 divided by 17 divided by 16. When we will multiply them, it would become the reciprocal, so here would become 16 and here would be 17. So we have x square as 16 square divided by 17, and we have this under root, so it would become simply 16, and now we have this under root here also, so it would become under root 17. So we can get this x value as 16 divided by under root 17, that would be approx to the value 3.880. So this is the value of the sides of this square. So here, which the value which was x, that means side, which is 3.880, or we can write it as 16 by under root 17. So friends, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and at the last, thanks for watching.